Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Plasma lipoproteins. In plasma, cholesterol and triacylglycerol form integral component of macromolecular complexes that are spherical in structure, water miscible, called lipoproteins, which are conjugated proteins. Lipid part is the prosthetic group and lipid-free proteins are designated as apolipoproteins, are larger water-soluble macromolecules complexes formed by a combination of lipids and proteins that transport insoluble lipids, including fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins, triacylglycerol, and cholesterol through the blood between different organs and tissues. Composition of lipoproteins. Almost all lipoproteins they have a same type of composition, but they varies according to their percentage. They contain triacylglyceraldehyde, free cholesterol, cholesterol esters, proteins, specific proteins called apolipoproteins, and a monolayer of phospholipids. The general structure of lipoproteins. Lipoproteins consist of a lipid core containing a non-polar triacylglyceraldehyde and cholesterol esters that's surrounded by a single surface layer of amphipathic phospholipids, free cholesterol molecules with some proteins called apoproteins or apolipoproteins. The surface of the monolayer of phospholipids and free cholesterol make the complex solubilized in aqueous solution in aqueous environment of plasma. The protein components are referred to as apolipoproteins. Some of the apolipoproteins are integral and cannot be removed, whereas the others are free to transfer to other lipoproteins. Classification of lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are classified into four major classes according to to increasing density. The density is inversely proportional to the concentration of tags. As the density increased, both the size of the core and the diameter of the particles decreased. These particles classified into kilomicrons, VLDL very low density lipoproteins, LDL low density lipoproteins, and HDL high density lipoproteins. Separation of lipoproteins can be separated either by electrophoresis or by centrifugation in solution of appropriate densities. Look at HDL particle have more density, smaller in size, and chylomicron they have a lesser in density, more the concentration of tags up to 85 to 90% tags found in chylomicron, and the size become larger. Composition of plasma lipoproteins. The plasma lipoproteins, along with their composition, chylomicron, they have 80 to 95% tags. They have 0.5 to 2% proteins, 5 to 7% phospholipids, 1 to 4% free cholesterol. they have ApoA, ApoB100 and ApoC. VLDL, they have 50 to 70% tax, 5 to 10% proteins, 15% phospholipids, they have 15% free cholesterol. LDL, rich in cholesterol, 45 to 50% cholesterol, they have tax 10%, phospholipids 20%, and they have a major ApoB100. HDL, high density lipoproteins, rich in proteins up to 50% proteins, they have 5% tax, 25% phospholipids, and only 20% free cholesterol. They have ApoA1 and ApoB and ApoA2. Apolipoproteins. Apolipoproteins are the protein components of lipoproteins. There are four major types of apolipoprotein designated by the letter A, B, C, and E, with subgroups given in the Roman numbers 1, 2, and 3, etc. Almost up to 8 apolipoproteins found in human body. Apolipoprotein contents of lipoproteins chylomicron associated with A1, B48, C1, C2, C3 and C4. VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, their association with apolipoproteins included B100, C1, C2, C3 and ApoA. IDL, intermediate density lipoproteins associated with the major lipoproteins B100 as well as ApoE. LDL associated with the major apoproteins B100 and HDL associated with A1 and A2. LPA associated with apo with ApoB100. Functions of apolipoproteins. Apolipoprotein, they serve to solubilize the plasma lipids. They maintain the structural integrity of plasma lipoproteins. Number 2, they involve to regulating certain enzymes which act on the lipoproteins like the activate enzymes involved in lipid metabolisms like LCAT and LPL. LCAT stands for lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. This enzyme occupied by a newly synthesized HDL. Its role is LCAT lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase convert to free cholesterol into cholesterol esters. Another enzyme LPL stands for lipoprotein lipases. This enzyme lipoprotein lipases is the extracellular enzyme found in the capillaries of the target tissues. This enzyme activated by ApoC2 and after activating it, its function is that it starts liberating, releasing fatty tags and fatty acids. Its liberate tags from lipoproteins particles, especially chylomicron and VLDL. It maintains the structural integrity. Delivery of lipids to cell via recognition of cell surface receptors. Receptors recognition. All cells have a lipoprotein receptors on the plasma membrane. These receptors are recognized by specific apolipoproteins that allowing uptake of specific lipoprotein particles by the cells by the help of receptors mediated endocytotic mechanism. Look at this table shows the types of apolipoproteins, their associations and their functions. Apolipoprotein, as we know, is the protein part of the lipoprotein particles. They have a tremendous function. They maintain the structural integrity of lipoprotein as well as they are involved in receptor recognitions, and by the help of these proteins, the lipoprotein particles they internalize by the help of receptors mediated endocytotic mechanisms. Let's discuss one by one. ApoA1 associated with chylomicron and HDL, its function is it activates LCAT, lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. ApoA2 associated with HDL particles, it inhibits LCAT, lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase, as well as it stimulates lipases. ApoB48 associated with chylomicron, ligands for hepatic uptake of chylomicron remnants. ApoB100 associated with VLDL, IDL, and LDL that binds LDL receptors. ApoC1 associated with chylomicron and VLDL that involve to activate LCAT like ApoA1. ApoC2 associated with chylomicron, VLDL, IDL, and HDL, it involved to activate LPL, lipoprotein lipases, which found in extracellular, which found in the capillaries, extracellular enzymes, capillaries of target tissues. ApoC3, they are associated with all these above mentioned particles, chylomicron, VLDL, IDL, and HDL. They involve to inhibit LPL. ApoC2 activates LPL and ApoC3 inhibits LPL, lipoprotein lipase. ApoE associated with chylomicron, VLDL, and LDL. They act as ligands for hepatic uptake by receptors mediated endocytotic mechanisms. ApoLPA. ApoLPA is a variant of LDL also synthesized in liver. This type of apoprotein, ApoLPA, is only found in 20% of population throughout the world. It interferes the action of plasminogen because its structure resemblance with plasminogen. It impairs the it impairs the process of clot resolution, impaired fibrinolysis, and causes early vascular thrombosis and early coronary heart diseases. This slide shows the functions of lipoproteins. Chylomicron transport exogenous triacylglyceraldehyde means a dietary triacylglyceraldehyde transported by chylomicron. VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, they originates in liver and its function they transport endogenous triacylglyceraldehyde from liver to peripheral tissues. Chylomicrons transport dietary triacylglyceraldehydes from liver to peripheral tissues. VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, they originate from liver. They transport endogenous triacylglyceraldehyde from liver to peripheral tissues. LDL, low density lipoproteins. These particles rich in cholesterol, low in proteins, and their major apoproteins B100 they have. Some of the particles of LDL originates in blood plasma and some of them they originate from liver. Its role of LDL, low density lipoprotein, it transport cholesterol from liver to extrahepatic tissues. That is why they correlated is LDL considered the bad cholesterol. They correlated with the cardiovascular diseases as well as hypercholesterolemia. Its level elevated in hypercholesterolemia as well as in atherosclerosis. HDL, high density lipoproteins. We considered a good cholesterol that act as a cardioprotective particles, act as anti-atherogenic particles that transport cholesterol from peripheral tissues and others lipoproteins to the liver by the help of reverse cholesterol transport mechanism. Reference books. Assignment. A 35 years old woman was hospitalized with an acute myocardial infarction. Her plasma cholesterol and LDL level were highly elevated. Describe the chemical composition of LDL. What apoproteins does LDL contains? What is the function of LDL? That's all about structure, classification and functions of apolipoprotein.